everybody, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, and I got some more tips for you. This time we're talking about Blizzard Beach. Okay, you're in Orlando for your vacation, which is a good idea. You're having a great time, but the sun, so you want to take a day away from the theme parks and enjoy one of the many great water parks here? Here's what you need to know about one of Disney's water parks in Orlando, Blizzard Beach. Hey, if you've not done this, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can get notified when these awesome videos show up. Blizzard Beach is one of the 2 water parks in Walt Disney World. It is themed like a ski lodge that was created after a fictional freak storm in Florida. But the snow didn't last. Go figure, Florida. So now it's a water park. Disney's Blizzard Beach opened in 1995 and did have a temporary closure during the lockdown. So let's get into the actual park. It's set up into different colored slope areas, all designed to look like ski slopes with melting snow. The green slope attractions are the tallest ones on Mount Gushmore. There you can find Summit Plummet, Teamboat Springs, and Slush Gushers. These slides are for thrill seekers and are very popular. Guests can be brought up to the top of the rides by the chairlift, similar to a ski lift, which can be a bit of a ride itself. Next is the purple slope, which has racing slides. Some have mats and tubes. These rides are the downhill double dipper, snowstormers, and toboggan races. Next is our red slope, which is less for racing and more for individual fun. Here we have runoff rapids, a multi-slide attractions. Okay, let's put our feet back down on the ground. It's the ground level now. There is Meltaway Bay, Blizzard Beach's very own wave pool. Then there's the Cross Country Creek or Lazy River. Ski Patrol Training Camp is for preteen children. They can have fun in the leisure pool, Fahrenheit drops, freezing pipe springs, and cool runners. There is also an area in Blizzard Beach for toddlers called Tykes Peak, with pint-sized slides and a small beach to make sandcastles. Families can also enjoy food from a variety of quick service with burgers, fries, and ice cream. You can eat at Avalanche and Lottawatta Lodge with mobile ordering as well as walk-up. Who thinks of these names? They're brilliant. Families can also get Blizzard Beach themed merch as well as swimsuits, sunscreen, towels, and sandals. Guests can also rent lockers, towels, life jackets, and polar patios. What are polar patios? They are cabanas where you and your family have a secluded area to relax while enjoying the park. There is a lot a family can do for the day if they want to take a break from the main theme park. So add a Blizzard Beach water park ticket to your Orlando vacation. Just like Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach is typically open year-round. They do have refurbishing times in the winter when it's colder and when the park may be closed. Always call ahead if you will be adding a water park to your vacation to see if it's open at the time of your visit. And of course, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.